Hi everyone, I am Dr. Payal Mahapatra. Today I am going to talk about IUI, that is intrauterine insemination. What is IUI? So in IUI, when a woman is undergoing a fertility treatment and during the time of ovulation, the husband or donor's sperm is taken, which is prepared and washed and then placed directly inside the woman's womb, which hence increases the chances of fertility. IUI cannot be offered to every couples. So IUI can be offered to couples with in case of unexplained infertility or those with husband having sperm parameters like low sperm count or less motility, or with females having some cervical mucus hostility, or with husband factors like ageospermia. So many couples, they are curious about how IUI works. So let me break down for you into very simple steps. So first, a female comes on day 2 or day 3 of her cycles. Then we start her ovulation induction along with the follicle monitoring. And once her egg is ready for ovulation, then we have to give her the trigger injection for timely ovulation. And at the time of the ovulation, then the sperm is collected and processed, and then it is inseminated into the uterus. And then after the procedure, then 15 days medications will be given to support the pregnancy, and then they have to do the pregnancy test after 2 weeks of the IUI procedure. So it is a very simple and effective process for the right candidate. What are the key factors which affect IUI success? One is age of the women, then count and motility of the sperm parameters, and then other factors like AMH, which is the egg reserve in the female, and overall reproductive health of the couple.